What are you scared of?
How you doing, sir? What's wrong? Where are the lights around here? Thank you, sir.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's going on, boss? How we doing?
Hey, put that, okay. Everything all right? I'm tired, man. Working every day. I'm tired.
Oh, me too.
Y'all need to hurry up so I can go watch this football game.
Oh, no.
What?
Yeah, we gotta put the hose outside. There you go, keep going. You got more. All right, you're at the end.
That's a big go. Is mom there? Okay.
Looks like it, yeah.
Is there a gate valve on here?
It seems kind of leaking though. I think it's broken. Dave, look at this, man. This is all you.
Who?
This is all you right here, buddy.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna use this. Pretty big.
It sounds like it's
It's an 18.
I guess it's
Is the water off?
I turned it off.
It sounds like it's still going to me.
I thought upside it. But I
The
don't.
water's on the outside, cut off there.
Nobody asked you nothing this morning.
Well, I'm asking.
You been to church? You been to church?
Uh-huh. On my TV.
On your TV.
What's that? Maybe. We're not sure if it's still running. It might still be running.
Yeah, so they're on the outside with the water.
Okay.
It's better, but it's better.
If David get off the phone, he could do it.
What? Did you turn the water off to the house? Where is it?
Okay, so the shut-off valve is bad. Alright, so I don't know how much battery life I got on the camera here, but we'll get you as much as we can. I'm going to try and get this valve and burner assembly from Dave. Helping Dave out with an install. Doing all the work as usual. Find the gas shut off someplace. Probably gonna be one of those old ones. Yep. Okay. My truck's in the shop right now. It conked out on me on the freeway. I would replace this gas line.
This is flexible. I was just gonna cut through here, go right through here,
Yeah.
about 6 inches, 6 inches on the bottom, just enough to widen it, get it in there. Because once you get it in here, you got some room.
Yeah.
But you don't have your tape on?
No. I'll take the, if you let me pull some parts off of that though, I could use those parts.
Yeah.
Once we get it
Let's
out.
cut this.
Yeah, we gotta get that out. There's some more up there if you want.
I got my saws over.
Yeah. That's in your way
You're
anyway.
gonna reuse just like this, right?
I think so. I don't have replacement seals with me.
You know, I got some good short
Line?
stainless.
Okay.
We can take these
It's
off.
up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take them off and let's put on the stainless.
That might not be a bad idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get a solid all
What
in
is-
there. I don't know if it's empty.
No, I can get it out of there like that almost. Let's
Okay.
cut that pipe.
Okay, and get it out.
And then what I'm gonna do is, it's like,
Look at that. Ancient strength.
more out of necessity. Wow, look at
Get
that.
on the front porch and hit that.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna just drop it. Fuck it.
Oh no, just knock that thing.
Is that line any good?
That gas
Can we
line?
still use that?
I would change it, but
Then
all my gas stuff's in my truck.
Yeah, I don't have a head.
The shut off.
The smaller.
Oh, I already threw it on your water heater. I just moved the adapter over to your water.
Oh, okay.
So it'll work. But
It'll work, huh?
yeah, it'll work. Yeah,
Can you close that door?
yeah. Don't throw it because I want to keep that valve and burner or something.
Oh, you want? Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you can just put it on the front porch
Yeah.
and hit that thing with a hammer,
Yeah.
and you'll be good.
Oh no, I gotta get this out of here first.
I'm right back there.
This was holding me up. Now we can,
Okay, so we got it out. Sorry about the lighting here. Some extra copper, everything's 1/2 inch. Replace the supply lines with some stainless steel flex. And we need to fit this Bradford white into this closet, so we're making it so the closet can flex a little bit.
No. You gotta really open the box.
Don't worry. Get down low. Alright.
Hold on. See if I can shut it. There you go.
Oh, it's hitting that,
Yeah, I know.
that piece of wood.
We'll go around it. Let's look it on this floor. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. Baby. So you can see the spark. But you put the gas up first.
Yeah, do that right away.
Oh, that feels good. Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, now put the lines,
Yeah, I'll grab the line.
get the lines, and then I think you can see the spark.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, good man. That'll help. That will be helpful. Okay. Yeah, I got it lit. It's just on standby. It's on pilot. So we just got to fill it up. So we got to turn the water back on, get the cap on. If you want to cut that copper out, now's the time to do it.
You got your,
Hold on, they gotta do better than that.
huh?
You wanna do
They
it?
gotta do better than that.
Now what you talking about? You know, you something else.
I would call it a whole lot.
Who installed that one?
Frank,
That was the water heater over there.
Frank,
Frank himself?
him and, what he told,
Oh.
Nancy or somebody did it.
Is the water back on?
No, you want me to turn it on?
I'll go out there and turn it on.
Okay, I got some of the hose bits are open now, so just when you turn it on, do it slow, and you'll have to close the hose bits. I'll go man the other two.
What? Turn what hose bits?
So the faucets, you know, for a hose outside. I was trying to drain the pressure. There's pressure coming out of the line.
Oh.
So they're all wide open. So when you throw the water on,
Listen to this.
I can't hear you over here.
She's going crazy. So I just turn the water on halfway.
Yeah, just turn it on a little bit, and I'll close these.
Oh, you got these bibs on.
I got 3 of them open. The one right in front of you.
Oh, okay.
Could you see the water hot in my kitchen for me?
It's gonna take 45 minutes, whatever your name is.
You want me to tell you my name?
No, I don't wanna know.
Well, I'm gonna tell you anyway.
What is it?
Carol.
Carolyn?
Yes.
You're gonna have to use your
I can get that. Don't
mama's
worry.
wisdom and use some tape or something.
I know my wisdom. I know how to.
All right, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. That was a water heater installation with Dave. I'm running in the van temporarily. Yeah, and I'm gonna go pull some parts off that ream over there. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.